Good evening everyone. Mabuhay. This is Alexi from Davao City. Happy New Year. Today or tonight it's already January 11 and 2 hours from now will be January 12. Grabe ka paspas budagan sa adlaw sa panahon. January 12 na, 2 hours, few hours from now. I have the most important reminders to all the people who are under with me. Maybe you are working in Davao or outside Davao City. People working under with me, especially to those people who are receiving minimum wage earner. Maski unsa ka gamay or unsa ka dako sa inyong sweldo, always remember nga naagyud mo'y savings. You should always save. Save and save for the rainy days. Kay wala ta kabalo unsa moabot sa atuang life, unsa moabot sa panahon. Tragedy, calamities, maybe happy times ba na, joyful days, problems, struggling sa inyong life. Basta mag-savings gyud mo. Gamay man mo dako, importante na mo'y savings. Save, save, save for the rainy days. That is my reminders to all of you guys. God bless everyone. God bless us all. Good night.